Alright, ebusuafo adeachi obesi adeachi si ya na chese mpani aka de ato se woda so no ante asem fofra na chese sa da no nneoma ensisi na kwan so ye papape adeachi ye mo ahwefo nyina achi esa mama ha mama dwo ebia de baje Ghana television so wode se mo de subscribe follow comment na share efa emma ye na ebusua na se ennori ye pa na ebusua yin se na bina ya tai ye no no ye da saka se na ma ya bofo mtimi boye chido ma ye Glitter and Glow Cosmetics Sanso na General Organ Foods and Kinaata Herbal Center bon de di chenku papa ko ne kokopie o makati na bibia ntimi nkoso kama what I say emfa emma na busua yin ye busa o se wiase obi ane ne twempene bia na e wo so ware wa na anampo se bi wo ba na ne be ma bi fa afura chenchenchi na composed by force se wo so ware wa na se bi aware jaye ene mpena twen aware yankasa ne mpena twen dia hin ene mo de na hwan ene ebu aka ne sima wo se afedie akomko de aka nyina ye ntwa ho ono na ka yen so wo sa wo boa fula frufusie na dondo afuno tigari wabre enti tino tintontan aware o empena twen o wone ne tonkwanta ya pai ebusia maina ne ehusima ya ba nipa kro ka sanse mi ya beko ya sikakum ya tini kwakonum ya basisi a
me wo landing baby a me wo ye Walthamstow wo hie nkun yi bi se wo Manchester wo Birmingham wo Northampton wo Southampton Milton Keynes outside landing baby a wo contact me mami wusu ana se Helena baby a wo bia so far as wo betua wo postage ye be postu e di abrel se wo ye kokko se wo ye tuntum wo ye ho ne ho kala bia wo ye wo bi ho ye fita be enku bia wo pe bia wo benya bi ana obi wo ho a wasra I had enku no odin no na ma ne kala no ni body na ye basa hydroquine no asai kala no na se wunya Glitter and Glow na wo start it beginning no ubehu se repair wo color no ubeye kama ubeye kama say de migina hoy small girl hey enku no baby anya fe na wo betete samna asra wo ho obi ho na nso oben ye wo na nso oben cream ye wo can I say stretch marks bibia anomu ye wo whitening wo se wo a wo ye kokko wo ye fita wo pese wo ye fita bibia wo pa wo hwi wo ringe Santiago kra anase na brown wo Ghana enku bia wo pe bia wo benya bi na me de me ka landing for contact me a bibia wo bia me de bebrel me wo fie 24 hours enti anytime bia opesa wo frame numbers me enu nyina so a ba bia wo bia de how bia wo ka kire me a me sort problem na ma Glitter and Glow na ye wi ani aba organic product so konkonte enkate rere edien esese kwa de wache powder ye wo prekasa powder ye wo ginger powder ye wo honey wo ho bibia konkonte ye echese enwo zomi everything bibia wo de wo hwehwe sa product ya Ghana hwehwe Nana Brown anase Mr Santiago eba landing so a contact mami wusia Helena bibia wo bia no ye di bibebro bibia wo ho wache powder kran so e wo ho enti bibia ni ho a wo hwehwe a won sanka enti ni nyina ye Glitter and Glow
pia o yasa mahwefo nyina kwa ba bio Ghana television na so ni odi ase button subscribe follow comment na share efa ma ye debusia sina bi nka busia on empena twen enya wode de hin na ede what you say ma wi osisu a empena twen bebre mema sisu empena twen bebre na sister Debbie nkomotwetwen bia kosoma sister Debbie ai ya sister Debbie ya de unim no sister Debbie ayo no a betimi de wadwen kire egu comment section na so no bebre si me be kenkan ye de amana fie timi di nkita ho sister Debbie trema wo se won no atene ni so akom ko de aka nyina ye ntwa ho sister Debbie ade na afie wo kasa se ya wo se hwe wono empena twen woni asuma si di ko boso na awai wodi asuma si di ko boso na asane wodi ko yese jese ase ni ti so obi na de aboni dua de on de wonim but ono pa de anhwe that team bia no wonya sure se obetimi aware because empena twen hodo a wonya na de so obetwi bi wontwi bi de afo na ni so entia na ebusua wo hwe se na sister Debbie chense no na wo hwe se ne or kasa with emotions in our team say that say idea ye ne papa team say akoma no we dey enkrake yo emubui ayamopa na team say nsema hye ne bo a wo hwe gu ho no ebusua ahomete yanko ne konko sister de bia nsem a wode etudwa bi mresisi a.
It's not something I'm looking forward to or looking to at all.
But you are available?
No. I mean, I'm not with anybody, but I'm not interested. I'm not looking to be with anybody.
Why?
That's not my focus. The thing is, when I'm in a relationship, I put a lot of my energy and resourcefulness into that person. So it slows me down. It's not like they demand it, but, well, maybe they demand it unconsciously, but it's not good for me. Because I'm too caring and too kind. I don't like to give myself raps, but that's the truth about it. And then I put people first. Even if I'm not in a relationship with someone, I put people around me first.
That's
so
true.
Imagine I'm in a relationship with somebody. I give my all, and then sometimes when I notice that they are not doing the same, or they are taking advantage, or it puts me off. So I always just advise myself. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah, I get it. But so how would you feel that vacuum if there is nobody there that you're a human being? You need some emotional attachments here and there.
You don't really need, like, there's no vacuum. Like, I'm happy.
When you get horny, what do?
I hardly get.
But you do get sometimes.
No, Halifax. This one is too, what's the word? Too much information. TMI. This one, you are collecting it for yourself. I suspect you.
Well.
From succulent lips to hairy banana to now.
Obesie wan ka se otiri ho a ya na ye bone ye santo belele se ne besi aka no no abusia ye da sra kase and ban abofo abran brom tibo echiru ma ye glitter and glow cosmetics national general organ force and it na herbal center srenku papa didiye what you say kono kopi eti na tetra kate omtimi hwehwe wapom di mu nyina ma ne CPN sita asra kase en confirm me producer on duty Edmond Opoku Chief Fucking Bag me so am dey say me ba bestrom o medium jeso no mosonfo nana K Jesse Abrantie. Therefore, have a wonderful good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Subscribe, follow, comment, na share for my BBN team so kama. Every same no. Mesa no be dia share mo. Akrao.
Oh, doc. Yes, and you go doc. I wanna know why you did. No, that's why she have said you need to no say the yen kukru. So your stomach was up, said the young heartburn so as I become. Let them cry. The meaning say if you be forcing I don't know.
Test results naturally say when you malaria when the moji.
Yeah, 3D.
Yes, malaria. Nani yem no so we no here. Tinatet tomac and a tinatet malake. Fama no nano ho betono.
Malake, anything at a tomac. I'm on my free.
Tinatet malake, eyema ubi awenya malaria fever. Ena tinatet tomac mixture, eyema ubi awenya heartburn, indigestion, ena ni yem eyeneya. Tinatet edrui, FDA ahwehwe magia tum se eye.